Hello again and welcome back to Rossaleon Eats, where today we'll be making a rocket and dill pesto. Right, now this type of pesto is what we consider for us make a pesto out of anything you got in your fridge, where you use any of the nuts you have available. So for our pesto we have 75 grams of rocket, 25 grams of dill, 50 grams of almonds, 50 grams of parmesan which we've just cut up into cubes, and 1 medium clove. We're going to begin with 50 milliliters of extra virgin olive oil, and we'll add more if needed depending on the consistency. First thing we're going to do is add in just a small handful of everything. Now if you have a bigger whizzer, of course you can add everything in at once, but we just want to make sure we do this bit by bit so it gradually all combines in. Give it a quick taste to see what more it needs. It's already tasting really nice and fresh, but it definitely needs some salt and pepper to help it along the way. Now it's ready to put in a jar and keep until later, until we need it. It's nice and soft and fluffy inside, just that crispness on the outside of the gnocchi as well, the nuts to give you a nice bit of crunch, the hit of chili in there. Trust me, this is a wonderful dinner and I'm sure you guys will really come to love it and enjoy it. Anyway, thank you for watching, thank you for listening. Give us a comment, a like, and subscribe. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until next time. You caught me trying to get more of our secret ingredient.
And what's that?
Well, garlic. You know, we love to use lots of it in our recipes.
Why is that? You a vampire hunter?
No comment. But while you're there, why don't you smash that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.